Hello everybody, and if you live in Wilmington, Southport, or anywhere, Florida, Miami, you have obviously heard about Hurricane Matthew. Right now I'm in Leland. I'm filming in one of the places that I film a lot, and I've been tracking the hurricane on WECT.com. If you don't know what that is, it is Wilmington, Leland, and Southport, Brunswick County, and Hanover County's weather station. So, yeah, I've been tracking that on their website, and we've just been watching it. We've been watching NBC Nightly News. We've been watching everything. So, yeah, so I'm going to tell you all the D's if you haven't watched the news. The news station hasn't given out the news for it. So, we're going to see. So, the first thing is if you live in Miami or Florida, anywhere in Florida, and it's going to be a category 4, so you just need to be careful. If you live like low ground, I would recommend going to somebody's house or to an evacuation. I would recommend you going somewhere that's a little bit higher off the ground because it's a category 4 hurricane. And I don't know about Florida's news. They may be calling evacuations. Stuff. But if you do live in Southport, they are calling out an emergency in a voluntary evacuation. So yeah, if you live there, you might want to go because by the way, I'm not making this up. I've read this straight off, and this isn't just some random website. I've looked at 3 different news sites, and they all say the same thing. So, I've looked at WWA, WECT, and the one, what's it called, where it tracks all over the world. If you live somewhere and you want to see what the weather is there. Okay, so that is all for Southport. Oak Island's another voluntary evacuation. Bald Head Island's another voluntary evacuation. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. But by the time it does hit us in Leland and Wilmington, it's only going to be a category 2 right now. I mean a category 1 right now. But it's not going to hit us until it is Saturday. So, yeah, Saturday. And it's just not... If it keeps changing. First it was category 3, then a category 2, and then a category 1, and it keeps just moving around. But that is it right now. I would promise to keep you updated. I will probably have a lot of videos in the next, probably today. I'll probably have another 1 or 2 today, and then probably 4 or 5 tomorrow. Keeping you updated on the storm if you don't watch the weather. That is it for Nathaniel Brown News. Please keep it up. Please be safe in Hurricane Matthew. If you live somewhere where Hurricane Matthew doesn't live, then please, please, please just pray for the people that are going through Hurricane Matthew. And I would like to I would like everybody to pray for the people in Haiti that went through the horrible Hurricane Mathew, and it's just a blessing from God that only 11 people died, and I think that is time to wrap it up. Other than if you live in Carolina Beach or Wilmington, you might ought to know this, that there is this isn't about Hurricane Mathew, this is something else. There's been a recent gun shooting there that had a military-style weapon that they now have the guy in custody that has custody. They have custody of him in jail. They have him in jail right now. But they think that there was another 1 or 2 people involved with it. So they're trying to see if they can with helicopters. So this is from me. Thank you. Goodbye. And peace out.